Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix black square on apps icon. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First we will press Windows plus R and then we will going to write clean mgr and then click OK. And after that, here you can see, if you click on the drives, you can see C and D drive. So basically my SSD set it in C drive. So I'm selecting C drive and clicking OK. And after that, here you can see there are some files choose to delete. So I will just uncheck them and check that your thumbnail is selected. If your thumbnail is not selected, then definitely you just need to select it and then click OK and delete files. After completing the deletion, just come over your start icon and restart your PC. So now here you can see our problem is completely fixed. So this is how you can fix your desktop black screen icon on your desktop. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.